Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker JBL Grip. Into volume control we have controls on the front side. Right here we have the plus button to increase the volume and minus button to lower the volume. Now let me play some video. And to increase the volume you need to single press or press and hold the volume up button, and as you can see this widget I increased the volume. To lower the volume just press or press and hold at the volume down button. So press and hold, and as you can see at this widget I lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!